inches of mist. Which is that way. If y'all dogs wouldn't stop tripping me.
Yo, dog, you're tripping.
You tripping, dog. Get your dogs out of here. Yeah, these trees are like gigantic. Not as big as redwoods, but still gigantic. And
stay back from the river, child.
Okay, we're good. Sorry we got cut off, just GoPro went no-mo. Powered off for a bit, paired back on. I don't know what's up with that. Sorry, there's bugs everywhere. I keep like shaking. Everything. Ah, there's another one. Yeah, that's on me. Okay, we have a big old, we'll peek you in. Is the underneath this cave. Pretty cool. Not much of a cave, but it's a little interesting. Ooh. Here, look at this. There's like, like tarp. See? Just all this rock. I think it's like prevent harm or something. I'm gonna get some tree shots. Whoa! Look at the mountain up there. I'm like really getting a good look. So cool.
Unless you have mini. Yeah.
So many like
stay behind us. Oh wow, that's like you gotta go, mommy. Mom, there's like a wild raspberry. I know, I've seen that. There's one right there.
Oh, it goes like in deep. It's pretty cool.
Do you see how?
Give her more leaves so she can walk a little leaves.
Freya.
Walk, buddy. Yeah, she'll choke herself if she doesn't care.
Yeah, Minnie thinks she's a special. Give her more leaves.
If I'm keeping mine, that's all I literally cannot hit her. Molly?
Here we go.
Caterpillar never turned into a butterfly.
My caterpillar never turned into a butterfly.
Don't let her eat it.
I saw this one on the video.
There's like a bridge section. Sorry. Hi, Freya. Hello, Freya.
Oh my god. We're just starting.
I don't think the mile is that bad. I mean, I walk and run miles all the time. In school, I ran like 5 miles a day, so.
Yep.
Seriously, Willow, you already have a cramp? Like, you're gonna fail gym, bro. Cool shots?
What?
Oh, break.
What?
Pretty good, right? Getting some nice shots.
Anybody else want some water?
Wow, look at that. A big old chunk pulled out with some water under it.
Hey, what did the sign say?
Yeah, which is that. I mean, I'm able to run like 5 miles a day. Alright, I need your shot. Heading back down. Okay. As I'm being given sunscreen.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, so we were just given some bug spray. That's why I quickly ran off. It was mainly for the purpose of, there's a frick ton of mosquitoes since it's getting a bit later in the day. And, like, I'm going so fast compared to my group. And I'm going slow. They're ants. Not ants, snails. Ooh, that's a pretty nice shot. I can't fully see the shot since the screen started bugging out. Still bugging out as I'm recording this amazing audio clip, which again, my grandpa's probably going to put under some relaxing music. But also, given that I have this audio clip, he's probably going to put something else different in. But also, you'll probably not be able to hear the audio clip because of, it's probably gonna be a time lapse. Ooh, this area's cool. There's the dog. Everything everywhere.
Ooh, that's cool.
This little off-road area. You can kind of see the path from here, but also a mighty tree. I'll probably be able to carry them higher. Like, look at a good grasp at the amazing view right here. Low view down. I'm not really sure what you can see down there. I'm not that tired. Everybody else seems to be. Everybody, really cool view right here. You can like, if you look up in the mountains,
Oh yeah.
you can see how like the snow.
Yeah.
Hi, Molly. Also, Abba, you're obligated to add that into the video.
Okay.
Hi, Molly. Oh, Minnie. Hi, Minnie. Mom, I told Abba he's obligated to add in one of the shots where I just like put the camera in front of Molly's face and just went, "Hi, Molly." Like the shot was adorable. What? Cord. I try to get these kinds of shots a lot where like I'm just like grazing through the plants.
Mm-hmm. They look good. Oh, people and a dog. And the little our big dog doesn't want to fight them. The little dogs want to. They just
Yeah,
kinda
the little
crack
dogs
them.
over here.
Okay, we're almost halfway there.
And mini dog and please go. Yeah, man, dog is so beautiful.
You guys, look. Guys, look. It's two things. A warning sign and two natural growing potatoes on a tree. Tree potatoes.
Potato.
Okay. We are now approaching. Welcome, passengers. We are now approaching Santa's secret summer home. Why would he be stuck in his little snow home and watching the elves work when he could just trust them and head off to the amazing Spokane Valley, Washington, or Idaho, wherever we are. I think we're in Washington. I'm not sure. People have died. There's tons of dangers. Like I care. Nah. Whoa, you can see them and like they're smoke filled. Oh, but it's so cool. Yeah, it looks so scary. Also, I'm older than I look. All right, guys, we are rounding near them. You can see how like pale. Oh, you can't see it, but I can. Extremely mist filled, and there's also like a little plant here. Yep, he's there. There's also a big boy rock right up ahead. It doesn't look that big, but this is its actual size. Okay, to me this looks like an epic movie scene, but y'all can't see it. Like bunches of mist. I tripped. You can see like a little riverway. Idiot. Oh, you can see it, yeah. I feel like I'm gonna enter it, just like a giant. I'm not going under. I'm going over. Oh, I hope you guys are seeing this shot. It's epic. Okay. I have rock. Oh shit, I missed. I suck at this. Rock. Snow platform. Ah, Kobe. First try. No. 360, no scope. Ah, this is so cool. Ooh, the water's freezing. Ah.
Feel good, huh?
Yeah, the delicious water is.
It's a nice end.
Yeah. Oh, goodbye. Oh, that's fine. Get in my way. Goodbye, guys.